This 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD Service Work Truck. Only 97k miles. Where to start with this truck? 1 owner, 6.0 Vortec V8, huge brand FX service enclosed service KUV body bed. LED bed lights, hydraulic ladder racks, tons of storage bins and shelves for parts and tools. Nice interior, inverter, strobe lights, factory brake controller, trailer hitch, good tires, ice cold AC, hot heat, cruise control, light with in-dash controls, strong running truck. Ready to make money? www.tswertrucks.com 5101E University Drive, Denton, Texas 940, 595, 9328 Free delivery within 200 miles of 76208. Keywords: work van, service van, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, handyman, painting, construction, mechanical services, Farrier, 2500, Express, Chevy.